Why some flowers are fragrant and others are not. In the colorful and fragrant world of flowers, each bloom is not only a masterpiece of nature but also a scientific mystery. Welcome back to the Wiki Plant channel, where each video is a fresh and exciting journey of discovery about the plant world around us. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating question. Why do some flowers have a captivating scent while others lack a distinctive fragrance? Each flower carries its own story, a biological reason that we might not have considered. Let's discover and understand more about this wonderful world. Before we start, don't forget to hit subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss any videos from us. And if you're as curious about the plant world as we are, leave your thoughts in the comments below this video. Welcome to our journey of discovery. Today, we'll delve into nature to uncover one of the most intriguing mysteries of plants. Why some flowers are fragrant and others are not. You'll be surprised by what we're about to discover. Understanding flowers. To understand why flowers have or lack fragrance, we first need to comprehend the basic structure of a flower. Each flower consists of petals, pistils, and stamens. These parts not only contribute to the unique beauty but also play a crucial role in the plant's reproduction process. Flowers attract pollinating insects like bees and butterflies through their color, shape, and sometimes scent. But does the flower's structure influence its ability to produce fragrance? Now, let's move on to another important part, the fragrance of flowers. The scent of a flower is created from complex chemical compounds. For many flowers, fragrance plays a key role in attracting insects and even pollinating animals. However, not all flowers need fragrance to attract pollinators. Is the fragrance of a flower merely to attract humans and insects? Why some flowers are fragrant? We know that fragrance is an indispensable part of the floral world. But have you ever wondered why some flowers have a special scent? Behind every fragrance is a complex chemical story. The fragrance of a flower is produced from chemical compounds such as terpenes, esters, and alcohols. The combination of these compounds creates the distinctive scent of each flower species. Some flowers develop scents to attract pollinating species like bees, butterflies, and other insects. Fragrance acts as a means to draw pollinators closer to the flower, increasing the chances of pollination and proliferation. This mechanism has evolved over time, where plant species have developed the ability to produce specific chemical compounds, often essential oils, to interact with their environment and other species. The main purpose of developing this fragrance is to optimize the pollination and reproduction process of the plant. A vivid example is the orchid. The rich aroma of orchids not only captivates humans but also serves as a love language to attract bees and butterflies, ensuring successful development and diversity of the species. The mechanism of producing fragrance is a complex process, often relying on the combination of chemical compounds in the flower's cells. Volatile oils, the primary carriers of scent, are usually produced and stored in different parts of the plant, such as petals, leaves, stems, or fruits. Fragrance acts as a signal to attract pollinators to the flower, helping increase the chances of pollination and proliferation. This is the purpose of fragrant flowers. Additionally, volatile oils can reduce the evaporation of water components. Not all oil cells in a flower are fragrant. Some may have a foul smell, and certain species, like the Titan arum, emit a very foul odor when blooming. This odor is so strong and unpleasant that it can deter humans and even insects from approaching. Why some flowers are not fragrant? After exploring fragrant flowers, let's turn our attention to non-fragrant species. Even without the enchanting scent of roses or jasmine, these flowers still possess radiant beauty and play an important role in nature. Several reasons may explain why some flowers do not develop a fragrance. This could be due to genetic factors, living conditions, or even a specific evolutionary strategy. So, is the absence of fragrance an evolutionary advantage? This represents the diverse evolutionary process of nature. Producing fragrance requires energy and resources from the plant. Therefore, some species may choose not to focus on creating fragrance and instead concentrate on other functions, like developing seeds or adapting to harsh environmental conditions. Simply put, in these flowers, there are no aromatic cells, nor are there glucosides. Glucosides can be metabolized into fragrant chemical compounds when they undergo enzymatic breakdown. If a flower species does not contain glucosides or its metabolic organs are incapable of producing fragrance from glucosides, then that flower will not be fragrant. Why have some flower species evolved without the need for fragrance? This is due to the harsh environmental factors surrounding them, which can affect the development of fragrance. In some cases, fragrance may not offer any particular benefit to the plant species during reproduction. In fact, it could increase the risk of being consumed by animals and insects. Some plant species may choose not to develop fragrance to attract pollination but focus on other survival and reproduction strategies. This could include enhancing thorn systems, defense against harmful agents. Instead, they develop other structures like large pollen sacs or wind-dispersible anthers. Wind-pollinated flowers often lack fragrance. They do not need to attract insects for pollination but instead, use the wind as a messenger. Species like oaks develop structures such as wind-dispersible anthers, helping pollen move from one flower to another without the need for insect pollination. This could be seen as a great example of biological strategy diversity. Is the absence of fragrance an evolutionary advantage, and if so, what are the benefits? Let's find the answers together now. Impact and significance. Both fragrant and non-fragrant flowers play a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity. Each flower species, whether fragrant or not, is an indispensable part of the ecosystem, contributing to the balance and richness of nature. Not only visually appealing, flowers also contribute to the biological cycle of many animal species, from pollinators to food sources. The diversity of flowers, from fragrance to shape, is key to sustaining the ecological balance. Flowers hold not only biological significance but also profound cultural and societal meanings. From flower festivals to art and beliefs, each flower species carries a special meaning, reflecting beauty, love, rebirth, and more. In today's journey through the world of flowers, we have learned about the incredible diversity of flowers, from fragrant to non-fragrant species. Each flower carries its own story, a unique evolutionary and biological secret. We have explored the chemistry behind flower fragrances and the reasons why some flowers develop without the need for fragrance. Each flower species plays a crucial role in the ecosystem and human culture, from attracting pollinators to conveying subtle messages and meanings. I hope this video has not only broadened your understanding of the world of flowers but also allowed you to appreciate the beauty and wonder of nature. Continue to explore and cherish every flower you encounter on your journey, for each one tells a special story. After gaining a deeper understanding of the world of flowers, how will you observe and experience them in your daily life? The world of flowers is not only aesthetically beautiful but also an essential part of life. Every time we stop to admire a flower, we are connecting with the vast and marvelous natural world around us. Thank you for spending time with us on this journey of discovery. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and share this video with friends and family to spread the message. Goodbye, and I look forward to seeing you in the next exciting exploration video.